Hello everyone, my name is Anshuman Singh and I am a student from NITI AM19 Section A. I am here to talk about the concepts and application of subject Principle of Management taught to us in our first module by Mr. T. Prasad. The course doesn't follow the regular pattern of textbook teaching as our professor preferred application and block-based approach to this subject, making it interesting as well as enlightening in terms of learning. Through this course, we explored various facets of management through practical examples, which helped us build a strong foundation in understanding the subject. During our very first session, we were introduced to the valley crossing concept, which comprised a step-by-step process of crossing the valley. Through this concept, we were introduced to the roles of manager who has been assigned the task of helping a three people cross a valley. The process involved roles and responsibilities, competencies, principle of cooperation and teamwork, work distribution, and various kinds of other skills such as conceptual, human, technical skills, and etc. Limitation of a managers were discussed and several methods were suggested as solution for the valley crossing task. Next was the tower building exercise using square blocks. We were asked to set a goal of the number of blocks we will be able to place before the structure falls down. We had to put each block on top of other with just one hand, and that too a wrong hand. This is the goal setting activity of the exercise where individual sets the target of number of blocks based on their perception of activity. A student was randomly chosen who had himself set the target as 10. The student performed the exercise and height achieved was 17 blocks. In this exercise, we were introduced to the concepts of different type of performance for accomplishing goals and categorizing people based on their performance as backfolders, maintainers, and progressive minds. Further, we were introduced to the main drivers of any organization, which are efficiency and effectiveness, which together contribute to overall excellence of organization. These terms were more clear and understood with the help of tower building exercise. Then we came across the concept of theory X and theory Y managers and various scenarios which occur under these two kinds of management. Our professor Mr. Prasad gave us the opportunity to share a work experience in order to relate it to discuss scenario of theory X and Y management. We were also exposed to problem solving and creating exercise with the ring toy puzzle available in NITI campus, which helped us in understanding the simple and systematic approach to solving any kind of complex problem. Also, the human tower exercise which is performed by a student made us realize how important are the foundations of organization in terms of strength and commitment. Our professor asked us to do research and write a case study about any company of our liking and discuss about the company's product, market, customer, vision, mission, goals, various HR policies, history, work culture, and SWOT analysis. I did my case study on Deutsche Bank since I felt it can serve as a good example for understanding principle of management subject. I was also given the opportunity to write a blog on my company Sapient Consulting, where I mentioned about the various scenarios that I came across while I was working that contributed to the growth in my career and helped me gain valuable experience as an individual. Finally, our professor Mr. Prasad showed us a video on 3 Chinese monks which focused on productivity and teamwork. It also enlightened us with the various monk methods and planning required in order to accomplish a task, as well as the importance of innovation in the world of management. The video also helped us in understanding and analyzing the method to tackle deviant human behavior effectively and to design work process accordingly. Overall, we had a great learning exposure and opportunity to learn about principles of management through this innovative method of teaching followed by Professor Mr. Prasad. The best thing about the course is that we got to learn a lot of things which a successful manager should know in a way which is so enjoyable. Instead of creating pressure, this course was like a stress buster. I would like to take us this opportunity to thank Mr. Professor Prasad to teach us in the most creative way that most of us come across. Thank you.